Planner 5D and Room Planner. Let's see which one is best for your home design tools and suits your needs best. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. Let's start with Planner 5D. Planner 5D is a powerful and beginner-friendly home design app that lets you create both 2D and 3D floor plans. It features a massive library of furniture and decor helping you visualize your interior ideas. With AI-powered features, AR integration, and realistic rendering, it's great for both casual users and professionals. However, high-quality renders and some advanced tools require a paid subscription, and the free version offer limited customization, especially for complex layouts. Now let's talk about Room Planner. Room Planner is a straightforward and fast interior design app that focuses more on individual room layouts. It is perfect if you are just redesigning a single space like your bedroom or living room. One of its standout features is a catalog of real furniture from brands like IKEA. So you can plan with actual products. It's super friendly and ideal for quick design tasks. However, it doesn't include the architectural features that Planner 5D offer, and just like Planner 5D, most premium items are locked behind a subscription. If you want a more comprehensive tool with architectural flexibility and higher rendering, Planner 5D is the better pick. But if you are looking for speed, simplicity, and brand-specific furniture planning, Room Planner might be perfect for you. That's it for this comparison. Be sure to like and subscribe for more design tool reviews.